I'm a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals on Earth.
Where do you live?
We live only in Africa. We like grasslands and forests.
You have really long legs.
Yes, we can run really fast. And we look for food all day long. Our long legs help us roam the grasslands.
Your neck is long, too.
We look for food in very tall trees. We can reach food with our long necks.
What do you eat?
We eat leaves and buds. Our favorite leaves have lots of water, so we don't need to drink often.
Do all giraffes look alike?
Well, all giraffes have coats with spots. But our coats have different patterns. That makes every giraffe look different.
How do you sleep?
We usually sleep standing up. We take just a short nap each day. I see a tasty leaf. Bye!
Goodbye, giraffe.